All right, this is the last example. It's no different than the other example, except for we have this division sign. What is that? This all this means is flip the second one over and change this to multiplication. It's like keep flip change. We keep this, we flip this over, and we change this to multiplication. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use KFC, keep flip change. So that's anytime you see the division sign, you keep the first fraction. So I guess I'll rewrite it right now. Keep the first one. So 7v squared minus over v minus 8. Flip the second fraction over. So then I have 15v minus 50, right? It was on bottom. Now it's on top. And then also 21v cubed minus 70v squared. That's on bottom now. And then change the division to multiplication. Now this problem is exactly like the problems in the other video, where we just factor, cancel, and reduce. That's our factor, rewrite, cancel, and reduce. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a look at this and try and factor it. So 15v minus 50, that's this part. I can divide by 5. So I will divide by 5. I get 5 on the outside, 3v minus 10, it looks like. And then I'll factor this part. I can't really factor anything over here, so I won't. So let's factor that real quick. 21v cubed minus 70v squared. What can I divide there? I can divide by, I think, maybe 7v squared. 7v squared. So what do I get? I get 7v squared on the outside, right? Whatever you divide by goes on the outside. That'll be 3v, right? That changes to v, minus 10. Those cancel out. So we get that. Now I'll rewrite it. So I get 7v squared. And then I guess I'll put that in parentheses. Remember, you change this to just one line. So in the top it was green, so that was, I'll put parentheses around the 5. 3v minus 10. And then one single line, the v minus 8, I need parentheses now, v minus 8. And then this part changed to this. So I'll put this in parentheses as well. 7v squared and 3v minus 10. All on the same line, and look what happens. I have multiple things that cancel out. Here, the 7v squared cancels out with the 7v squared. They're exactly the same. Perfect. And then also, 3v minus 10, 3v minus 10 cancels out. So what am I left with? Looks like 5 over v minus 8. I don't need the parentheses anymore because there's nothing being multiplied here or here. There we go. That's it. So really, the division problems are the same as the multiplication problems after you do one step. And that's it. Remember, we're factoring, rewriting with one single line here, and then just reducing and canceling. All right, goodbye.